there are 5 people within this group. 1 female, 4 males. And each of those individuals have a splendid voice. So I'll be reacting to Pentatonix Prior. Now this was suggested to me by a subscriber, and he goes by the name of John Rodriguez. Bro, I've done 2 reactions thus far for the Pentatonix group. I've done Hallelujah and I've done Daft Punk, and those 2 was amazing. The Prayer, I've done a reaction to The Prayer before, and it was done by Marsley Topamai. So I guess it's a multitude of people sing this song, The Prayer. Now let's see what the Pentatonix group will do in this song. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. I'll see you there. Peace.
I pray you'll be alright and watch us where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose our way. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace.
Bro, this guy's voice is enchanting. It's so good. This is so much soul feeling.
To a place where we'll be safe.
La luce che tu dai
I pray we'll find your love
nel cuore resterà
and hold it in our heart.
a ricordarci
When the
che
stars go out each night,
l'eterna stella sei
oh,
nella mia preghiera.
let this be our prayer.
Quanta felice
When the shadows fill our day.
What? Whoa, whoa. Damn. Oh. I'm done. I am done. I'm done with this. This is so much for me. This is so much for me. This is so much to take in right now. This is too much pressure for me. My ears are in a deep pressure right now. Thousands of feet in water, and the pressure is just pulling me and pulling me and pulling me in. The deeper I go, the tense it gets. Damn.
Lead us to a place.
Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be saved.
A world where pain and sorrow will be ended, and every heart that's broken will be mended, and we'll remember we're all God's children, reaching out to touch Him, reaching to the sky.
We ask that life become. We ask that life become. And watch us from above. And watch us from above. We hope each soul will find. We hope each soul will find.
You know what I love about these people? Bro, friggin' voice. The voices. The unity. The congregation between them. Bro, the chemistry within the harmonious voices is very harmonizing. Damn, bro.
Another soldier. Another soldier.
Let this be our prayer.
Let this be our prayer.
Just like every child.
Just like every child
Needs to find a place. Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be saved. Needs to find a place. Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be saved.
Mighty God of Daniel. You know what? I'll see you next game. I'll see you next game. A wonderful time. Thanks for watching, guys.